Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
The NIPCO's issue was that they wanted the second installment of the first tranche, and so that release was taking a bit of time because of some internal issues with which MECL had to resolve with REC and PFS, which are the two agencies that are giving the Atmanirbhar loan. So those issues have been resolved, and the second installment of the first tranche will be released to NIPCO, or may have already been released while we speak. So I don't have those details right now with me, but that was the issue. So those have been resolved. It's about 360 crores total, roughly. I don't know the exact number, can't remember the exact number, but about 360 crores. And out of that, I don't have details of how much is for NIPCO, how much is for PGCIL, and there's some amount for NTPC, some amount for the power grid. So those breakups I don't have with me, but total about 360 crores. This is a solution that we are going. The reason you're seeing all these things happen is because we are finding a solution, we are moving forward. These are dues that were there for a very long time, as we mentioned. And so we took, as the Power Minister mentioned in the House, that we took a tough call, saying that, well, we know that we have to take this loan and it's going to put the burden on MECL in the long run. But some decision has to be taken. Otherwise, the surcharges will keep going up. And in all likelihood, the penalty and the surcharges and the interest that we have on the outstanding dues may be higher than the interest that we end up paying for this particular loan. So at least we've managed to restructure this entire amount. We're moving forward, but this will not be enough. There has to be also technical improvement in terms of reduction in AT&C losses, efficiency in the billing, which has to come up in MECL also. So both these reforms have to take place together. But we are in the process. It's not an easy road, but some tough decisions had to be taken, and we took it. And we're hopeful that we will see things improve. So even now, as we are moving along, as we are facing these challenges, every challenge is allowing us to remove some of the hurdles. So like today, this challenge with NIPCO we managed to remove 2-3 hurdles that were there. So every step, so it's a big mess, as we have been discussing in the session all the way. So I don't want to go into detail so much, but whatever we're doing now is leading to reforms, and some will give short-term results, most will give medium-term, and some long-term measures are there which will take some time to implement and show results.